Here is the real truth. Nobody tells you about building a high-leverage network. You can attend every industry mixer, collect hundreds of digital business cards, and memorize a list of polite interview scripts. But if you stay trapped in the shallow waters of pleasant small talk, your social circle will remain completely useless to your long-term growth. True self-mastery requires you to break past superficial scripts and activate deep, meaningful connection as a primary system of discipline. Small talk is an exhausting, low-leverage routine that wastes valuable brainpower on weather updates and sports scores without ever discovering a person's true motivations or strategic assets. Deep connection is an advanced framework that skips the social noise, diving straight into core ambitions, major challenges, and mutual leverage points to build an unbendable boundary of trust in record time. To fix this right now, you must implement the curiosity pivot tip. Immediately steering casual introductions toward open-ended questions about what a person is actively building or trying to solve. When you replace polite nodding with radical curiosity, you instantly separate yourself from the crowd, unlock hidden collaboration channels, and establish a memorable presence. Consider the case study of an ambitious media director named Sarah. She was trying to source new enterprise capital and spent months attending local networking banquets, asking standard questions about holiday plans and job titles, but left every event with zero callbacks and no real momentum. She realized her superficial approach was capping her progress, so she implemented a hard conversational change. At her next major industry summit, she completely banned small talk from her vocabulary, deciding instead to ask every executive she met about the single biggest operational bottleneck they were facing this quarter. This simple, high-impact pivot completely changed the energy of her rooms, forcing her prospects to drop their corporate guards and share genuine, high-leverage business pain points. Within 30 days of shifting her strategy, Sarah eliminated the social noise, built profound trust with 2 major decision-makers, and successfully secured a massive institutional investment for her platform. Do not need to play small to fit in. Shift your daily framework immediately to let profound communication shield your inner flame from the blinding wind of superficial chatter. Subscribe right now to join our inner circle and unlock the machine-like blueprint for an easy, high-leverage life.